G'day guys, in today's video I've got a HP laptop and it's coming up with the error HP fan 90B. Or at least memory serves me right, that is the particular error message. The weird thing is, if I use this particular fan here, which came in it, which has this model number here, it will produce the error and the fan won't spin. Yet if I grab a slightly older and differently wired HP fan, as it escapes me, it will actually spin. It has this model number here. If my focuses, there we go. And one of the main differences there is it's wired up slightly different. If we have a look at this one, we have the 4-wire method. We have a single earth. But if we go to this one here, we have 2 earths. We have black, black, yellow, red in that order. And this one does actually spin. I haven't actually turned it on to see if it doesn't produce the message, which I'll do that now. But so far I do actually have fan spin, which means it could actually potentially cool this laptop. I've checked the voltages along here, and the voltages all seem to be relatively normal. Now we've got 5 volt, 3.3, 1.0 and 0. Looking at it from this perspective, there's my drawing of the copper cooler. So it is outputting 5 volt, 3.3 volt, 1.1 and 0 on the earth. Where on another machine I tried it and it was outputting 5.5, 3.1, 3.5, 1.5. So this was tested on a known system that was working. Tried swapping this with another 2 fans of the exact same kind, and it was all producing the same message. But with this one, it seems to be okay. And with the 2-wire fan installed, we're spinning just fine. It's happy, it's passing air, it's all good. This one here, the 4-wire, the original fan, even though I tried a couple more of the exact same kind of fan, I had no luck at all with that one. As you see, we've booted up just fine. No complaints, no HP fan error. So that may be one potential fix for the HP fan 09A fan error. Anyway, I can't quite remember the error message off the top of my head, but that may be one possible solution. Buying a slightly older, different revisioned HP fan. Luckily I have the luxury of having a few spare parts that I can test out, but for me, that done the job. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.